He's coming right here, guys. Oh, tell me you can see that. Oh. All right, guys, we have returned to the scene of the crime. I just spooked a turtle. I wonder if y'all saw that. Oh, look at that tank. I hope y'all can see that. All right, boys, we're gonna be chasing this here river today. It's just a little brook. We looked it up on Google Maps since we found this last week, and we found hopefully 6 or 8 spots we can fish it. Man, that's just fun just watching that right now. I don't even need to fish. This is like my new favorite spot all of a sudden, guys. Just this tiny little hole. I am sneaking over here. I do not want to spook that big guy. I see 2 of them. Follow the end of my rod tip right there. Oh, boys. It's a little clearer today, too. This here's a new color I got from troutmagnet.com. I don't think you can buy it in stores. I used it here last week and it was definitely productive. I don't know if you can see right where that algae is floating down on the top. There's a whole school of fish right there. I don't think y'all are gonna see it till I get that polarized lens though. Man, I'm excited. That thing is coming in the mail today. I should have waited. Fish on. Come out from that rock. All right. First fish of the day, boys. We got a little bluegill. I'll take it. He's gonna poke me. There you go, guys. See you later, buddy. Thank you. Oh, they're chasing, boys. This might be it. Fish on. Oh. He felt the hook. As soon as it gets this little bit of weed on it, this is what I fought with last week. Fish on. Hey, hey, bluegill number 2. Frickin' attack that thing. Here you go, little buddy. Thank you. I've been hearing splashing this whole time we're here under this bridge. I gotta see. And that tank we saw earlier, he swam under the bridge, so you never know. Fish on. And a fall fish. Why are all the trout in the sun? This is strange. What? Stop pooping on me. He literally just took a fat poop on me. Yeah, you can go that way. See you later, bud. I don't appreciate you pooping on me. That's 2 cast 2 fish under the bridge, boys. Might not be trout, but never complain when I'm catching. On this hot summer day, anything. Fish on. Oh, boys. That was almost 3 casts and 3 fish. And just like that, it died down. Guys, I'm just here fishing and there's a doe in the water, a little baby doe. Oh, he's swimming with it.
That's why he said he's got the end of the worm in his mouth.
Right. Oh, he showed you. Ooh. Another bluegill. He attacked that thing. He got 2 hooks in him. How do you do that? Ow! I got some new toys for my GoPro box as soon as I got home yesterday. As you can see here, I got little polarization filters. These are going to help you guys see more fish underwater. So hang in there, sit tight, and I'll see you down on the water. All right, guys and girls, here we go. We got the polarization filter on. I'm sneaking up here. I'm going to be extra sneaky today. I don't want these fish getting away from me today. It's bad enough I'm casting a shadow over here. It's quiet so far. I don't see anything, but I haven't fallen in yet. All right, guys and gals, we are here. At first glance, there's no action. Oh, I just missed another deer. I wonder if y'all could see that. There was another deer in the water. This is officially becoming my new Zen garden, if you will. Oh, fish on. Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth. He hit that pretty good. Oh my God, there's so much algae. Right on schedule. I think I'll try one more. And by one more, I mean 2 more, because I got to throw one under the bridge too. Figures I get these new filters, right? I show up a day later and it's quiet here. Fish on. Oh, dang. I don't know what it was. It had a decent size to it. He wanted it. He definitely wanted it. I might be picking up, guys. All right, we went up and switched to a Joe's fly, number 1. It's a short striker with, it's got the trailing trebles on it. So maybe if this guy, I'll bite at it again. Maybe we'll get him. Oh, there's a freaking tank looking at it. I hope y'all could see that one. Dang. Get up past there. Oh, let me clean it off. Fish on. Oh, come on. That woke something up. Oh, boys. I don't know if y'all see what I see. Oh, he's looking at it. Something's looking at it. We need a new color on here. Stat. I really hope y'all can just watch this fish with me, because this is exciting. I feel bad for anyone that doesn't get to experience this type of fishing. Guys. Look at that fish. Something's tried to eat it too. You see that little scar? That's a bird or something. I think that's a brown. Maybe a little more natural presentation might do us some good. Oh, he's looking at it. Oh, he's thinking about it. He is thinking about it. All reliable. Size 2 Panther Martin, gold and black with a red hook on it. He's looking. Something's looking. Oh, I caught frickin' weeds right before he actually... Oh, boys. That's what makes it so tough summer fishing. Oh, look at this. It covered in this right before. Oh, man. Damn. Oh, surface. Look at him. Look at that tank. You guys need to come up with a name for him. Dang. Oh, they're dancing in there. Just not at my freaking bait. This weeds is what's keeping this from being successful. I know I'm being persistent right now. Oh! Oh! Okay. That woke me up. I don't know what attacked it, but man, I was not ready for that. Oh, boys. Dang. Oh, boys. Look at this f***ing fat girl right there. Oh my gosh. Please don't eat my freaking line, Mr. Turtle. It's like a prehistoric being just sitting in the water. That's so wild. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you saw something you liked, I want you to hit the like button and comment below a name for our brown trout friend here. I will pick a winning name before I go to visit the spot in the future. Hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll be sure to catch you next time on First Cast Media.